What's going on, guys? Alan here from Gods of Wall Street. Just a quick video. We'll be installing MT4 and the robots on the VPS. Okay, so if you're using Windows PC, just type in remote desktop connection. Just search for remote desktop connection. This software comes with or Windows PC or laptops. Okay, and then if you're using the phone, you download an app called Remote Desktop Client. Okay, so I'm now logging to the VPS. I've already entered the details which the VPS provider gave my clients, the passwords and all that, the usernames and all that. Okay, so the VPS has opened. The VPS is just a virtual computer which you access using the remote desktop software. Okay, you have to subscribe for this VPS, you have to subscribe for this computer. As you can see, it comes with Google Chrome. Let's see if there's anything downloaded on this computer. Let's see. Okay, so there's nothing, so we have to download MT4 and we have to download the robot files. So for MetaTrader 4, the platform we use for trading, we are using FX Pro MT4. We are not using our broker's MT4 for some reason. We are using MetaTrader 4 from FX Pro broker. Then we will log in our FBK Markets account on this MT4. Okay, so for those who are new to trading, those who are not into trading, MetaTrader 4 or MT4 I'm talking about is just the trading platform we use in trading, either trading stocks, Forex, indices. So the robots are designed to work on MetaTrader 4, and that's why we are downloading it, and that's where we are going to install the robot files. Okay, so if we scroll down, it's there, download MT4 for Windows. You just click and the download has already started there, it's already done. Okay, so I can go ahead and close the browser. Let's check in the downloads. Now we are now installing the software, the trading software on the VPS. Okay, so we say run, and then we click on next. Click on next. Okay, so for those who are new to trading, FX Pro MT4 is just a trading platform. FX Pro is a broker, and then the MT4 is the platform we are using to trade with our robots. But our broker has got MT4 as well, but we don't want to use our broker's MetaTrader 4 for some reasons. So but we'll log into our broker's account on this platform, so we are not opening an MT4 trading account. We're using FBK Markets, zero spread account, 1 to 1000 leverage, but we are logging into that account using FX Pro MT4. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and show you the pairs we're going to be trading. So I've got a file there, the Gods of Wall Street Currency robot details. So those are the 15 pairs we'll be trading. So the robot will be trading all those 15 pairs, not at the same time, not on the same day, on different days, because the setup is not showing every day on each pair. That's a download link. It's available to everyone. What's not available to everyone is the activation of the license. So the robot will only work when I activate the license from my side. Okay, so MT4 is open, it's done installing. So we add new broker by clicking there. since FBK Markets is not here, only FX Pro servers. So we type in FBK Markets and then we click on scan. We type in FBK Markets, then we click on scan. Okay, so let's scroll up. As you can see there, FBK Markets Live. So the second one, the FBK Markets Live. We click it and then we say next, and then we click on existing trade account. Okay, so this client already gave me his login details. My clients are very busy people. Most of them are engineers, doctors, businessmen and women. Yeah, most of them are very busy people. So some of them, they do give me their login details just so that I can help them with the installation. Okay, so let me just enter the password and then we log into our FBK Markets account and we click finish. We click on finish there and we are connected. So we are now into our FBK Markets trading account. We've logged into the FBK Market account, the account we opened with FBK Markets. Yeah, so don't confuse it with the FX Pro platform. For FX Pro, we're just using their MetaTrader 4. So we click on show all. After we right click on the pairs, then we click on show all, so that other pairs can show, because there are only limited pairs which are showing. So we had to right click on any of the pair and then we went on show all. Okay, so those are not the pairs we'll be trading. The pairs will be trading all end with .z for zero spread. So for these ones, as you can see, they are not zero spread. So these are the pairs we'll be trading, the ones in green. So let me go ahead and remove these charts. We won't need these charts because we'll only be trading the zero spread Forex pairs on that list I gave you. So let's remove the Bitcoins and all those charts which were initially there. Okay, so now we have to follow that list. There is a list we are following. Okay, so that's a terminal there. I'm going to have to close it while I'm doing the installation. Okay, so I've just minimized the VPS. It's running in the background. So those are the pairs. Pay attention now. Pay attention. We are now opening the charts. It's a very simple procedure. Right click on the chart you want to open and then you say chart window, and then we expand there, and then we go to the next one, which is EuroJPY. So on EuroJPY, we just right click on EuroJPY and then click on chart window. The charts automatically open in the 1 hour charts, and that's the chart the robots are trading on. We are trading on the 1 hour chart. If you put it on any other chart, any other time frame, the robot won't work well. So it's a 1 minute chart. So you just open it. You just open the charts. So we'll repeat the process on the remaining pairs. We'll repeat the process on the remaining pairs. I'll cut the video and then we'll meet on the other side. Okay, so we are remaining with AUDJPY chart window and then AUD/USD chart window. So we've opened all the 15 pairs. All the 15 pairs have been opened. So now let me minimize the VPS and copy the download link. So the only thing we've done is inserting the charts, or opening the charts in short. So we copy the link, the download link, and then we go to the VPS, and then we open first we can minimize FX Pro platform, and then we open the browser and paste in the download link. So you just paste in the download link there. Let me say download. Okay, so it's done. Let me close the browser. Which I think I just closed the browser prematurely. Didn't finish downloading. Guess what? It hasn't downloaded. Okay, this time we'll wait for it. We'll wait for the download to complete. Okay, so we paste. Okay, so we say download. So now we are downloading the robot files, the all-in robots, and then the all-in is not, it's not the name, it's not the name, that's just a description of its nature. I haven't found a name for the robot yet, so we just call it by the description of its nature. So there, those are the two files, those are the two robot files there. There is the ex4 file and the application extension file. So when you open MT4, when you come to files there, you click files, then you open data folder, and then you open MQL4 here. So the experts there, robots are called experts. So the ex4 file will come in the experts folder. So let me minimize MT4. Let me go ahead and copy the ex4 file. The ex4 file, copy, and then I'll paste it in the experts folder. And then the application extension file, the application extension file will come in the libraries. So let me say copy, and then we'll paste it in the libraries folder. So we just say paste. Okay, so we can close these folders now, since the robot files are now in their respective folders. Okay, we can close the market watch since we've opened all the 15 currency pairs we are trading. So expert advisor, that's the robots. As you can see, it's not there yet. So minimize that, and then right click, and then refresh. We refresh. So as you can see, the all-in 15th March update is there. So now we are going to plug in the robots on all 15 pairs. So we just drag it to the chart and let go. Okay, so that's the robot on the common tab there. We have to allow live trading, and we have to allow DLL input. All the boxes should be checked. All the 3 boxes there have to be checked. And then on the inputs, the only thing you will be changing here will be the lot size, depending on your account size. Okay, and then the other thing you'll be changing is the expert magic. You have to reduce it. You have to change it to 0 on all pairs. Please change the expert magic to 0. Okay, as you can see, the emoji face is not smiling because live trading is not activated there. So once I click on live trading, the emoji there is smiling. And now we wait while the license is being checked. So the robot is checking for is checking if the license is activated. So that sign shows that the license is activated for this account. Okay, the lock in the top right corner there simply shows the robot is up and kicking. Okay, so we do the same process on all the other 15 pairs. So we scroll down, make sure Magic Expert has been changed to 0. So on all the pairs, GAUD, so we drag the bot to the chart, and then on common tab we allow DLL inputs, and then here the lot size, you put your own lot size, and then Expert Magic has to be changed to 0. Okay, so we'll repeat it on all the pairs. We'll see you on the other side. Okay, so we are on AUDJPY. We drag the robot to the chart. On common tab there we allow DLL input, and we check all the boxes there, and then Magic Expert has to be set to 0 on all attachments of the robot. Expert Magic should be set to 0. Okay, so the last pair there, AUDUSD. Okay, Expert Magic 0. On the common tab there, allow DLL inputs and allow live trading. Okay, so everything is done. Let's check if the smiley face in the top right corner is smiling, and if there is a lock. The lock simply shows that you're connected to the servers and everything is up and running. Okay, so on this account we've set up everything. So as soon as my client deposits in his trading account, the robot is ready to start trading. So he's just going to log into the VPS just to change the lot size to his preferred lot size. Yeah, otherwise I've put 0.01. 0.01 is as a custom lot size which comes with the robot. Okay, so let me minimize MT4. Don't close MT4, just minimize it. Just minimize MT4 so that it can continue to run in the background. Same with the VPS. Don't shut it down, just close it. If you want, you can minimize it, but you can close the VPS, but not shutting it down, not shutting the computer down. Just minimize the VPS and it will continue to run in the background, whether your laptop is off or your PC is off. So don't shut it there, don't shut it there. Whether you are offline, the VPS will continue to run in the background. So you close and you say okay. Thanks for watching. The video ends here, guys. As usual, like and subscribe. Cheers.